Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a date to your document on the Signeasy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the My Library button down below, which is the third option. Select a document. Tap on Start Signing at the bottom of the screen and click on Sign Document. After that, click on the Date button in the first row down below. And if you tap on this Calendar button, you can select the date. After that, the format can be selected too. Here you can find a vast variety of options that you can choose from. Then you can also select whether you would like to include the time or not. And the style can be selected too, such as normal, italic, bold. Then the tint can be selected, and the size of the letters too. If you are done with it, click on the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can find it, zoom in and out to make it bigger and smaller and position it within the document. If you are done, tap on the checkmark icon in the upper right corner and tap on Complete Signing or Save as Draft. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.